Welcome to our tutorial about transparent commands. We've been using commands in transparent mode already in this. You just may not know about it. Transparent commands refers to the situation when you call up a command from within another command. One example would be using any of the zoom or pan tools while a command is active. Let's try an example. Let's activate the line tool. Snap to this corner. Now I need to pan. I can simply move the geometry by pressing down the middle mouse button. But I also have the option to activate the pan command from the dynamic input field. P is the alias for the pan command, so what I type in the dynamic input field is 'P. Press Enter. And now when I press the left mouse button, I pan. To exit the pan command, right-click and select Exit, or press the Escape key. And we're returned to the line command. Let's try a couple more examples. Type '-P. Enter. Now we're prompted to specify 2 points. Let's snap to the top 2 corners of my rectangle. Now my graphic has moved in the positive X direction in the distance I specified, which was the length of this line. Let's try another example. Enter '-Z in the command line. This is the shortcut for zoom. Press Enter. Now I can specify a corner window, a scale, or right-click and choose any of these options. Let's use a window. And I'm restored to the line command. Snap to this corner and this corner, and press Escape. This concludes our tutorial about working with transparent commands.